Alright, well after fucking ripping my fucking hair out, had some issues I think since installing the capture card, knocked everything out of whack, even though things are screwed in, now they're not screwed in, they work unscrewed, they won't work being screwed in, so I'm like fuck it, whatever. So yeah, lost picture and then I lost audio, that's all sorted, but now we're going to install this WinFast multimedia software pack, which is the drivers apparently. Put that in there. And so we have some other discs. We've got ULED Cool 3D, the coolest way to hot 3D graphics apparently, and ULED Video Studio 6, compatible with Windows 98 2000 and ME. Exciting shit. Alright, so this should, here we go, it's installing now supposedly. Oh, it's got game music. Anyways, please install. Get that one. That'll fucking install, but yeah, hopefully this is the main driver. There we go. There you go, the multimedia driver is set up, so this should install the program that essentially you can like, I don't know how to really describe it, control shit basically, so you can like switch from TV and whatever and listen to the radio and all that sort of shit. I know what the fuck WinFast TV USB is. Nothing fucking USB here. I'm assuming in this installation window will pop up. Doesn't make the stupid sounds anymore, so that's maybe a good sign. Yeah, I don't really know what it's fucking doing, to be quite honest. Oh, my computer's basically asleep, so it's just sitting here like a fucking idiot. Oh, what are you doing, you fucking thing? Hasn't installed. Let's press the disk. See what happens there. What the fuck is all this shit? WinFast DVD. Let's see what that sets up.
Good old days.
Cool, so I don't have the right product, but let's just put it on the fucking disc anyway. No worries. So it's obviously this one. Maybe it's this one. Happens if I double that. Okay, so it's installing something on my computer. It does say, like, what I'm assuming says select. So, because yeah, I don't know what all this is. It's got like multiple X's. I assumed it should have just installed them. So look, the computer's probably going to shit itself. But, yeah, I thought you just pop the disc in, run the file, and then yeah. There you go. This looks a bit more promising. Yeah, that's what I was thinking of. Alright, cool. Alright, there we go. There's the driver. There you go. Now it's installing a WinFast video capture device. Don't care the family hardware. It will disappear. I don't think that. Yeah, it's installing DirectX 8.1, special for you. Yeah, right there. There we go, we've got driver and application 2-in-1 installation. Fucking video phone, fucking motherboard. This is sort of back when they sort of did stuff. Yeah, that's the sort of thing we got there. Now I'll reset the fucking computer. That's alright. Let's see if I can be fast as fuck, boy. Quick! Fuck! I think that's all we'll need, otherwise we'll be popping that disc back in. And yeah, so probably gonna have to set up the PS2 at some point. As I said, I was waiting for a converter so I can have like stereo audio, because it's only got like the one output. So yeah, I've just got some little sound converter, so that'll go into the slot, and then you're able to plug in the red and white cords from the PS2, and that should capture stereo sound. But I'll just see if the program has even installed and worked. Because, yeah, fuck me. What a pain in the ass this has been. I thought, oh yeah, just put it in, pop the disc in, you'll be fucking done within like, you know, probably the hour, but then the computer wanted to be a fuckwit. So, yeah, but at least, you know, like with old computers, you know, you can at least do that sort of shit, not having shit screwed in and whatnot. Alright, so it's taken about 50 fucking years. This is normally a bit quicker, so that's maybe a good sign. I just hope it's not like still trying to read the files off the disk because, you know, I don't have it. Yeah, cool. Might just pop this disc in just in case it needs it. So yeah, that's why it's taking a bit longer to run, because it's trying to like install shit before it's like started up. So let's pop that back into the drive that I had before. Wait for a little bit. So I think that's just installed the driver, so now to be installing the software. Alright, cool. We'll set your work area. Alright. Hold on a moment. Windows Media Format. Whatever.
What did you just agree to?
Yeah, I don't know. Welcome, this one's still the, yeah, right now. Recommend closing everything. Fucking haven't given me the chance to fucking do anything. Upgrade new components only. Alright, cool. Did that just say click finish to restart?
Most likely.
Now we've got a little extra icon down here. WinFast wizard, which is apparently this. I want to see if it's installed anything. Alright. So we've got radio, and I think that's the like to record stuff. So you can, you know, hook up an old VHS. Cannot find any video capture device. That's always good. Probably because I don't have anything plugged in, so that's to be fair. I thought you'd be able to do everything here. Okay. Audio device, I want to take that. Audio out. Good quality. Oh, fucking I'm compressed. Ooh, fuck me.
Bless you.
Alright, so we'll do that. I'm pretty sure it's meant to have caught something there. So right, record volume. Crank that up. It did say something about restart, so maybe it needs to restart to like really get its bullshit together. So we'll close that, and then we'll have a quick look though. This should be to do with the radio. So I'm guessing because things aren't plugged in. Yeah, fucking no, let's give it a go anyway, but yeah. Alright. I don't know what the fuck this thing's still doing, but anyway, let's just restart and hope for the best. Alright. We'll just wait about 20 years. Alright, what are you doing? Yes. I don't know. I just want you to start, bro. Fuck.
Restart denied.
Very much. You know what? Fuck off. So yes, I don't know if I have to have anything plugged in for it to be able to function. Might seem a bit stupid. Because it's saying it's like, no capture device found, so I thought that would at least pop up and then just have nothing shown because nothing's plugged in. Interesting.
It did come with a manual.
Yes, that's how I know which disc to put in. Because it said multimedia pack and I was just like, what? Where's the drivers? Alright, so... I don't remember being in as much trouble when I first had the other one. I don't think I had the disc though, and I just downloaded the file and it just worked. So now if I say, okay, so that loaded in a bit quicker. Okay, that's camera. Can I load it or whatever? Alright, let's see. What happens if I type in wizard? I mean, click on wizard. Maybe it's that. It's that. Okay. Okay. Like that. Anyway, so yeah, this is trying to like run off channel 4. Oh, there's where you can switch it to the radio. So look, time shifting. Snapshot, open media file, configuration, input source. Cool.
Probably when that cord's needed.
Yeah. I think that's the record button. This didn't save, that's always good. Cool. Oh, because I didn't save it, fair enough. That was my fault. So one in. Crank that up a bit. Alright. Video setting. Sure. What's this? Oh. Maybe we can put Australian TV on here. But I've needed a digital box because we don't have analog here anymore, so I was going to like plug it into maybe that slot, but then I realised, you know, it's been taken off, so there's no fucking point. That's kind of promising, so I might be able to have TV after all. Really cool. Now we'll click OK. Alright. I'll get you to stop here.